The Canadian Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities was launched in 2007 to represent Canadian municipalities on the UNESCO International Coalition of Inclusive and Sustainable Cities. The Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities aims to strengthen social inclusion and human rights throughout Canada by promoting shared responsibility and collaboration across municipal governments, local organizations, and other democratic institutions. This coalition connects Canadian municipalities seeking to improve their policies and practices against discrimination, exclusion, and intolerance. As a member of this network, the City of Fredericton's Office of Community Inclusion wished to foster national collaboration on social inclusion efforts. This led to the creation of the Canadian Atlas of Social Inclusion, or CASI, in partnership with Greater Fredericton Social Innovation. Despite over 100 municipalities throughout Canada joining the Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities, no tool existed to coordinate shared efforts in work related to social inclusion. Information was disconnected and could not be represented coherently. CASI will address this deficit. CASI is a living online library hosting the blossoming social inclusion ecosystem in Canada. Using Geographical Information System technology, we are able to bring to life the library collected by the City of Fredericton's Office of Community Inclusion and the Greater Fredericton Social Innovation team. Let's explore the features of the map. Each dot represents a Canadian municipality currently signed on to the Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities. As you can see, there are dots in every province. The search function allows users to quickly navigate to a specific province or community. If you are in search of a particular type of policy or programming, rather than a location, you can make use of the tags along the top of the map. When age-friendly program is selected, for example, the map will highlight the municipalities who have age-friendly policy or programming. When you click on a red municipality dot, you'll be greeted by a list of programs and policy links to explore. For example, let's say a user is navigating CASI to try and find information on Fredericton, New Brunswick. When the user clicks on Fredericton's dot, they're shown a list of links where available. These include policy to support affordable housing, parks and recreation programming, supports for recent immigrants, anti-racism policy, steps taken in response to the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, and more. When a user clicks on any of the provided links, they're taken directly to the resource they're seeking. The resources housed in the Canadian Atlas of Social Inclusion are aligned with the goals of the Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities to reduce inequality and fulfill human rights through effective municipal planning and cooperation. In addition to the map tool, our partners have developed the online resource repository to host a variety of social inclusion resources from non-municipal government sources. These include policy, news articles, web pages, scholarly articles, and more. The library seeks to highlight exemplary work from a diverse range of sources to inspire positive action in a variety of settings. In the resource library, users may navigate to resources through tags and filters. You can sort by resource type, by subject matter, or by location. The next phase of CASI's development will see the interactive map and the resource depository merged into one tool, allowing users to explore the activities of the Coalition of Inclusive Municipalities alongside other exemplary policy, programming, and research from around the country. Bridging the gaps between parties promoting social inclusion allows space for nationwide collaboration in the pursuit of more uplifting communities. CASI will be an indispensable tool as we work to create the just and equitable country we want to live in.